Hi, hello, namaskara, welcome back to the channel WanderersTales. So today is 25th December and happy Christmas to all of you.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas.
Where are we heading today, Adri?
Today we're going to a place called Fichtelberg. It's a mountainous region here near Bayreuth in Bavaria. And it's about 31 kilometers from Bayreuth. So it'll take us approximately half an hour to get there. The plan is, because today is Christmas, everything will be closed in Europe, especially Germany, and including all the shops and restaurants. So we won't really be able to buy anything or do much of sightseeing, but we'll go there and probably just go for a hike and look at the scenery and take some nice pictures. So that's
Okay, cool. Let's keep going.
Fichtelberg.
It's not FICH,
32 minutes, yes.
It's FISCH, not
Illela,
FICH.
it's Fichtel.
Fichtelberg. 30 kilometers.
So we have reached the location and we have parked the car here, and this location is actually covered with the snow and we are not actually prepared for the snow. So we have parked our car here for now, and we'll start walking towards this way. There is a lake as well, which we'll go and check it out. But the views from here just looks amazing, and the rays coming out of these trees looks wow.
We have reached a lake point. This place is called as Fichtelberg. Probably I'm not pronouncing it right, this is very famous for during the winter season for skiing, and in summer people come here for hiking, and I think there are many traditional concerts which are held here. This place is also famous for granite, so you will see rock formations everywhere around while you're walking.
Sea is called Fichtelsee, Fichtelsee in German, and at this time of the year it's almost frozen, and this year actually we are seeing a lot of snow. And this place can be visited in multiple seasons. I mean, in all seasons for that matter. In summer, it will be like bright and green, and you can see variety of greens. And in autumn, you can see lot of colors, fall colors. And now we are seeing this in white. So people come here to enjoy all the seasons, and most of them also do a long hike around the mountain range. So if you're coming from Munich, it's about 3.5 hours drive. But from where we stay, it's about 30 kilometers. And to reach the nearest railway station, I think is Bayreuth. But apart from that, you can, I think, take buses to come to this place.
So interestingly, today though being Christmas Day, we found a place where we could get some burgers and some kinderpunsch or glue wine to eat and drink. Basically, today we got the Kinder Punch, the non-alcoholic version of blue wine, and this is made out of lot of spices, and it just is very good for this kind of weather. So you have all kind of spices, cinnamon, pepper, and many dry fruits put in it. It will be sweet, but it will also be hot. So it keeps you warm. The body is warm during winter because of this. Cheers.